My creator pinkwork extraterrestrial ordered me to put this poster on my spaceship's wall today. Oh, what is this? My creator said. This old poster was found inside the HOLGA toy camera starter kit box set sold, or better say marketed by Lomography many years ago. So bad this Hong Kong brand, world-renowned plastic 120 film format camera had ceased production last year. Though its digital version still exists, my creator seems to miss its analog ancestor, and it would use this plastic camera to shoot its abducted targets quite often.
主人聽星睇今日喺佢多年前嘅 HOLGA 相機包裝盒度揾到呢張 poster， 就叫我貼喺太空船嗰埲牆度。最可惜嘅係 HOLGA 呢個香港品牌嘅塑膠製120大底片菲林相機，上年就已經停產。但我嘅主人呢，而家都時不時攞個出嚟影低佢老擺翻嚟嘅一啲研究目標。乜真係咁好用嘅咩呢部機？